2-in-1 scholarship is sponsored to engineering, MBBS, MBA and postgraduate students. To know all the details about this scholarship, keep watching the video till the end. Hello everyone, today we are here to explore an incredible opportunity, that is the ONGC Scholarship 2023 powered by Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited. If you are a meritorious student pursuing engineering, MBA, MBBS or Masters in Geophysics or Geology, then this scholarship could be a game changer in your life. Let's get started. The ONGC scholarship is part of their commitment to supporting economically weaker students. They select deserving students every year, granting each a scholarship of 48,000 rupees. The goal is to make sure that these students can successfully pursue their higher education. To qualify for this scholarship, you must meet the following criteria. Applicant must be pursuing first year of engineering, MBBS, MBA or Masters in Geophysics or Geology. If you are pursuing MBBS or engineering, you must have secured minimum of 60 in class 12. If you are pursuing MBA or Master in Geophysics or Geology, then you must have secured minimum of 60% in your undergraduate course. Your family income should not exceed more than 2 lakhs rupees. If you feel that this scholarship is not suitable for you, then you need not to worry. We have multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship, link in description box. Candidates are selected based on the aggregate marks in the qualifying examination specified in each eligible course. In case of equal marks, preference will be given to those with a lower family income. The priority is given to the students from below poverty line, that is BPL families, and the students from OBC and SC/ST can also apply this scholarship under their respective schemes. It is important to be aware of the terms and conditions. 50% of the scholarship is exclusively reserved for a girl student. Maintain a minimum of 60% or a CGPA of 6 out of 10 in each semester to continue with this scholarship. This scholarship is applicable for only those students who are pursuing their full-time course. You should not be availing benefits from any other scholarship or any financial assistance. Providing a false information can lead into a disqualifying the application. Receiving scholarship does not confirm any employment rights with the ONGC. ONGC Foundation has a discretion to alter or discontinue with the scholarship without providing any prior notice. You can apply for the scholarship only for one course of studies once in a lifetime. Now let's talk about how to apply ONGC scholarship. Gather all required documents including proof of income certificate, PAN card, ID proof, admission letter or undertaking form, and a proof of class 12 mark sheet for engineering and MBBS or consolidated graduation mark sheet for MBA or Masters in Geophysics or Geology students, college or institutional ID, admission letter or undertaking form. Before moving further, we want to share you some exciting news for the scholarship seekers. We are thrilled to introduce you about our Scholarship Plus program, a dynamic initiative designed to elevate your scholarship journey. With this program, you gain access to a personalized dashboard that serves you a central hub for the scholarship recommendation, seamless application tracking, and exclusive insights that give you a competitive edge. And here is a game changer. Matching Up Scholarship ensures you that you never miss any scholarship by instantly notifying you when a scholarship aligns with your profile. And if you ever have any queries or need assistance, our dedicated chat support team is just a message away, standing by to help. These remarkable benefits are within your reach for just $599 as an introductory price that covers you throughout your educational journey. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade today and turbocharge your scholarship journey with a Scholarship Plus. Now let's come back to the application process. Hit the link given in the description box and it will redirect you to the application process. If you like the content what we are working on, then please show some support by liking, sharing and subscribing our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. First, select the category of the scholarship which you need to apply for. Then you will be redirected to an interface where you need to read out all the instructions carefully and click on the checkbox and then click on the apply button. Here you need to fill out 6 different forms, so please be careful while filling out your details. Let's begin with the basic information, that is name of the applicant, gender, category, citizenship, mobile number and email ID. While entering your mobile number and email ID, please be careful because the further communication goes on with these two communication media. Then enter your email ID, give the information about your father or the guardian, and enter your family income. And before you could click on the next button, please check all the information provided are correct or not, then click on the next button. Let's begin with entering your address, that is correspondence address and the permanent address, then click on the next button. Now let's start entering the details about your qualification. Let's begin with by entering your institution details like name of the institution and further details. Along with that, you need to enter your class 10th and 12th, school or the college name, board you have studied in, state you belong to, whether it was a full-time or the part-time, marks or the grades you have gained, please enter along with the percentage or the CGPA. Please check all the details carefully and then click on the next button. The next is about the financial assistance, that is like if you have ever received any scholarship or any other financial assistance from other, then please click on the yes and please provide the following details. If no, then click on the no button and click on the next button. Now let's begin to enter the bank details, which includes your bank name, account number, branch, IFSC code, place, etc. Fill out all the details carefully. And this is a ECS form. Download this form after filling all the details and get it signed from a branch manager. Make sure that unsigned or unattested ECS form will be rejected. So scan all the details once it is done and upload back to the document section. Now let's move on to the last phase of the application, that is uploading your all documents, which is very important. Let's begin one after the other. So first you upload your PAN card copy, then Aadhaar number, then applicant photograph, that is passport size photograph, caste certificate, annual income certificate, then proof of your age, qualifying marks, upload your mark sheets, that is self declaration, that is your college or the institution name, and the next form is undertaking form, and then upload the document of your bank details in the ESC form, and you need to upload the bank details in ECS form, along with you need to upload a passbook or the checkbook, then click on the submit button. The ONGC scholarship is not just a financial aid, it's an investment for your future. If you meet the eligibility criteria and have passionate about field of studies, then don't hesitate to apply for this scholarship. This scholarship could be a key to your academic success. Best of luck for your scholarship journey. Let's spread this scholarship information with all your friends by sharing this video. Signing off, take care.